Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can transfer your avatar with animation from Marvelous Designer to Cinema4D using Alembic and FBX to add selection sets to your avatar in Cinema4D. So first of all, let's open Marvelous Designer. This is my Marvelous Designer. You can see an avatar with a simple t-shirt design with a Burna Boy logo which I made. The avatar comes with the Marvelous Designer. So this particular avatar has been animated and simulated with the garment. So all we need to do now is to just export it. So in export, we're going to export the Alembic. When you click on the Alembic, it takes you to where you want to save it. So you go to the file location where you want to save it, type the name you want to save it with, and you click save. Then these are the settings. Make sure that the unify UV coordinates is ticked, and include avatar shape is ticked. Then your frame rate, you can choose whichever you want, but I'm going to leave it on 30 frames per second. Then make sure that you tick on the DAZ Studio and you click OK. Next, we're going to export the FBX file. So we'll go to location that I want to save it. So we're going to save two files, the absolute file part and texture zip file. So first of all, I'm going to save the absolute file part. So these are the settings. So on the file type, on the FBX SDK version, click on absolute texture image file path. Then make sure make sure you select 2014 through 2015 and click OK. Done with the export. So right now is to open Cinema4D. So guys, we're in Cinema4D. So the first thing you need to do is to import the LMB file. We're going to File, Merge, or by clicking here and clicking on Merge Object. Alembic, import. So these are the Alembic import settings. So just click OK. That's my avatar. So right now there's no selection. So if I play it now, you notice that it comes with the animation. Okay. So what I need to do now is to just bring out the eyelashes and the eye sockets because they are not here. So I'm going to bring them out from the avatar. Don't forget it's baked. So I'm going to click to select the eyelashes, then Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. So I'm going to drag to include it here. Do the same thing to the down one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Drag it down too. Then the eye itself, do the same thing. drag it down. So I'm just gonna, click this one to review the ears. So the next thing now is to bake all of them. Bake them in PLA. So I'm going to select all of them. Go to Windows, then Timeline. Then click and drag them there on the timeline. While the timeline is still selected, go to Function and click on Bake PLA. So as you can see, a copy of the original mesh has been created. So we don't need that anymore. So I'm just going to retain the mesh with the A symbol. That's a PLA. So I'm going to delete the original mesh. Okay, so I've deleted all of them, while keeping the PLA files. So the next thing now is to import the FBX file that was saved. So make sure these things are ticked and click OK. What we have just done so far, because I don't want to lose the work or the project. Okay, so what we need to do now is to just transfer this selection tag to this baked PLA file that we already have. So I'm going to fast forward the video, and after I'm done, we'll come back. So just to copy them the way and transfer this last one to the body shape. Then I will delete all this because we don't need it. We don't need it. So if you select the cloth, you'll see that the selections are working. See that the selections are working. Can see. Can see. Can see. So all the selections are working, and this was achievable using FBX. And you can see it, all the texture has been transferred to the Alembic avatar. So that is it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to people out there. So please do subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when there's any new upload. So thank you. Bye bye.